Hi kids! Everyone there? I'm at the park, at the amusement park today. And yes, I'm here to meet my friends. Oh! They just told me they won lots of stuffed toys and I want to see each of them. Oh, here they have the bag. We have the first toy to check. Have they got a teddy? Let me just see. Yes! They have got a teddy. But where, guys? In the basketball game? Let me try. 1, 2, 3. Swish! Yes! Basket! Another teddy for me. I've got a teddy. Great. Let's check another toy. Have they got a dinosaur? Let's just see. No, I don't think so. No. They haven't got it. They haven't got any dinosaur. But where can we get a dinosaur here? At the ring toss. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Got it! I've got a dinosaur, guys. But don't worry, we share it. We all are friends. So let's put it in the bag. Great. Let's check another toy. Have they got a soccer ball? Have they got a soccer ball? And oh, not just one but two. They've got 2 soccer balls. How cool is that? And where, guys? Where did you get the soccer balls? At the archery range. So let me try. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I didn't get it this time. So no, I haven't got a soccer ball. Let's see the last toy. Have they got a giant doll? Let me see. No, I cannot see any giant doll inside this bag. They haven't got it. So, where can we get a giant doll? At the Woke Up Mall. I love it. I'm ready. Come on, show me the malls. Show me the malls. The time begins in 1, 2. Oh, I missed that. And 3. Yes! I did it! Now, again, we have got a giant doll. And we can definitely share it.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos! Last worksheet about the verb have got. Remember possession. I have got stickers. I have got a purple marker, right? So let's keep learning how to use it. And today the activity says, correct the mistakes for each sentence and rewrite them correctly. Okay, mistakes. Oops, let me just go for the thin tip. The mistakes are the errors. Okay, mistakes are errors. All right, so let's do it like this. Has they got snacks for the hike? They. No. Look, with they, we, I, and you, we put have. And with he, she, and it, we put has. Okay? So, it's they, have they. That is what we need to write. This is a mistake and this is a mistake. Have they got snacks for the hike? Yes, they have, no they has, okay? They have, well done. Now let's go for the next one. Have she got a teddy? She goes with has. So this is not okay. Has she got a teddy? Has she got a teddy? No, she hasn't. Well done. Now let's keep learning. Have they got gloves and a scarf? Have they got? This is okay. Yes, he has. No. Look, we have they. So it has to be yes, they have, right? Yes, that is what we need. Yes, they have. Well done. Have he got a soccer ball? No. Has he? Remember, has he? Has he got a soccer ball? Has he got a soccer ball? Yes, he has. Not she. Look, we have she and have. It's not okay. Yes, he. The boy, he has, okay? And then finally, has we got a giant doll? With we have. So, have we got a giant doll? Look, here we missed the A. Another mistake. No, we have not. Yes, we missed the NT, okay? Because we have no. So, no, we haven't. Well done. Okay, super good, guys. And remember, with the personal pronouns such as he, she, and it, we use has or has not. And with they, we, I, and you, we use have or have not. Goodbye.